Chief Minister has today met me and reiterated. He had requested earlier that DMRC should participate in the Kochi Metro. Today also he has urged the central government that DMRC should support and participate in the metro, Kochi Metro. I have explained to the CM that we will discuss this within ourselves, internally within the ministry and with the Chief Minister of Delhi, with the Delhi government, who is a partner in DMRC. I have also pointed out to him that we are implementing phase 3 of the Delhi Metro. Phase 4 has to start. I have pointed out to the Chief Minister that the airport line has serious defects and has closed down, as you all know. I have said that the other lines also which are having some problems. There are some limitations on this, but we will fully support the Kerala government and we will discuss again how it can be done, what is the process by which it can be done, because the Chief Minister is very insistent that the metro, Kochi Metro, DMRC does it. So we will further discuss and the officials will discuss this. There's severe load on DMRC, load of work, and especially with the metro line, with some other lines where there are defects, and with the projects they are doing, the old stations. All of you, I urge you to go and see some of the stations. They are in a dilapidated condition. So all this is there. Yet Delhi Metro will work out how it can support Kochi Metro in implementing this project.
So thinking is that only the supervision from the DMRC.
We haven't worked out these modalities. We haven't worked out. This is what now we'll discuss in Delhi. We'll discuss in Delhi how we'll do it to the satisfaction of the state government, how DMRC can help Kochi Metro. Whether it will be this or that, one cannot say.
Is there any legal problem to take up that?
Delhi, the name is Delhi Metro.
Right.
And there was, in the last cabinet committee meeting, we had, even for the line which goes to Haryana, Gurgaon line, which is part of Delhi, they said, how will DMRC go to Gurgaon? But that is because they were operating the line. That's an operational issue. But we will look at this. We will work out and discuss with DMRC.
But the Kerala government demanding the expertise of DMRC. That's why they are.
I have discussed this. We will see how the demands of the Kerala government, which the Chief Minister has expressed today, can be met.
Okay. Thank you.
They're doing this politics, is absolutely wrong. Absolutely, I'm very angry with this. With the big press thing I see. For what? There can be no politics in development. There cannot be any politics in progress. Right?
Who is mixing politics in this development?
I don't know who's mixing. I'm seeing so much press. Why do you have to have so much press? Why should I have so much of press on something not started? You should have the press for progress and development. I've never seen so much news in Delhi about the metro as much as in Kochi.
Kerala Post is more active.
Because there are more intellectuals. Right. Okay. Right.
So, thank you. Over.